Yes, we are back with the workbook, Unit 2, Natalie beats the odd and competitors, page number 14. Up till now, we have read that Natalie is a person who is physically disabled. She faced an accident and she has lost one of her legs. But swimming has kept her not only alive but active also. And she is not only just a disabled person, but she is a very active participant in those competitions, and not only just a competitors, but also she has won many medals also. Okay, let's talk about her more. Showing her prosthetic leg we have already discussed. This means artificial leg. This was made primarily of steel. Why? Because steel will not be rusted, iron will be rusted. It that when it is made up of steel, so it's costly also. It cost around $30,000. She says, I have three such legs, three prosthetic legs are there. Each can last 10 years. I can keep them for 10 years each. The road accident fund in South Africa helped her acquire them. There was some NGO and they have helped her with having these three legs. However, she does not use it when she swim. She does not need it actually. When she is swimming, she is swimming without them. Otherwise it will be heavier and definitely it will become difficult for her to swim with it. Natalie prefers to be treated like anyone else. She wants to be just like others. She does not want to be someone special. I am the person I was before the accident. I'm the same person before the accident. I am the same person now after the accident. My friends and my people treat me the way they used to treat me. My people means the family members. The family members and friends are treating her just like before. I have a lot of fun with my friends as I did before. She says with a chuckle. Chuckle means a little bit laugh. Okay? A small laugh. So she is having a lot of fun with her friends as she used to have, and everyone is treating her just the way they used to treat her before the accident. Okay? Her coach, Torbs, says a lot of hard work has gone into Natalie's successes. She has worked a lot, and that's why now she is successful. That she won medal doesn't surprise me. That she has won the medals, this was not surprising for her coach. Why? It was indeed tough to come back after the accident. It was really difficult. And it was an extraordinary feat. It was an extraordinary effort and work from her side. She will succeed in her future in divorce too. She will definitely work hard. She will go for other competitions also, and definitely she will be successful there as well because she trains very hard. When she came to me when she came to her coach, I did tell her that for me she was like one of my other swimmers. There's no change. She agreed with me, though she doesn't always. Normally, she doesn't always agree with me, but at that time, she agrees. She also says that yes, I am just like other swimmers and I want to go for the competitions again after the accident, after losing her leg. The coach recalls word we have also done in previous chapters, means the coach is thinking back again what happened then, that Natalie was initially frustrated with her attempts to swim. She was trying hard. When she was not successful, she became frustrated because only one leg was there, and definitely when she was trying to swim, she was only swimming in circles because you require both the legs to swim properly. But soon she proved that physically challenged people could challenge others through the power of their minds. this is something really important, that she was actually using the power from her mind, not just like some superheroes, but she was channeling the power into her body and making her body go for something which was very, very difficult. Her turn, in fact, improved after the accident. The way she used to turn in the swimming, now they have improved. And today she beats them all with her turn. Okay? And this is taking advantage of her disability, because now she's disabled. Her turns are they are better than others, and that's why she is beating them all because of this ability. That's the end of the chapter. Learn to read page number 15. Some questions are there. Yes, the very first question is, after she lost a leg in a road accident, Natalie took a long time to get back to competitive swimming. Is this true or false? She took a long time to come back? No, it's a false. Correct. She just took 3 months to get back to it. Number 2. Natalie is described in the passage as a person with grit and determination. Grit means the courage, bravery, right? Do you agree? Give reason to support your answer. Why it was so? Do you really agree that she was having a lot of grit and determination? Yes, Natalie is a girl with grit and determination because she has already lost her leg in a road accident. But still, she does not want to be treated as a disabled person. Okay? And not only she does not want to be treated as a disabled person, she is also taking part in competitive swimming. Okay? Let's discuss the third one. Natalie believes in setting goals and working towards them with steadfast courage. Steadfast courage means constant, continuous courage, constant bravery. Is that so? She's really setting goals and then working hard towards it? True or false? Yes, it's true. Number 4. Natalie keeps herself fit by fill the blanks in, training regularly. Okay? Then number 5. That she won a medal does not surprise me, says Natalie's coach. Why? What does this tell us about Natalie? Why the coach was not surprised by her winning a medal? Because the coach was not surprised because Natalie trained very hard and definitely practiced regularly. Okay? A person who can come back after the accident, after losing one leg, in just 3 months' time, okay, that is not an easy. So definitely her hard work and determination paid her, and with the medal, with the winning, with the victory. Then number 6. What kind of a relationship do the coach and Natalie share? What kind of relationship is there? Which line in the passage suggests that she does not get any special treatment from the coach? Why she is not getting any special treatment because of her disability? Which line is actually telling us? Yes, the line that we were talking about is when the coach said that when she came to me after the accident, I told her that for me she is just like my other swimmers. That was the line, okay? And as far as her relationship is concerned, the coach was having a lot of belief in Natalie's hard work. Okay? That was what the relationship was between both of them. Now, the odd means the degree in which something is likely to happen. The odds were heavily against. Heavily against means opposite Natalie succeeding as swimmer when she lost her leg. Keeping this statement in mind, explain the title. Explain the title, which means the odds. The odds means she lost her leg and the whole world for her has just broken and fallen apart. Okay? When Natalie lost her leg in a road accident, it seems like impossible for her to come back for the swimming. But definitely she has beaten it with her grit and determination and her hard work, and she has overcome her disability, and she has not only just overcome her disability, she has won medals in regular swimming competition. Yes, we can say Natalie beat the odd as well as her competitors. Okay? That's the end of it. I hope you must have understood the chapter and the whole explanation, even the question answers. You need to do all the question answers in your copy that we have discussed in this video. Previously, we have discussed the sentences and vocabulary, so that also you need to do in your copy. Allah Hafiz.